Welcome back, guys. So many people were asking me like,
Bro, tell me some resources, bro. Tell me some resources to learn coding or for solving problems. Tell me some tips and tricks about how to solve the problems and from where we have to solve the problems, from where we can upskill ourselves.
so many people were asking me these questions. So in this video, I'm going to discuss you with platforms which will boost your skills, which will help you to boost your skills, and you can even build your profile. You can build your resume using these websites. So without wasting time, let's go and discuss some free resources, and we will also discuss how to utilize these resources. Okay, the first one. So many people were asking me like at the initial stages of their coding, they will be like, bro, I can't solve the problem because they have not learned the concepts. And many people were thinking like, until I will complete the language completely, I don't solve any problems. So this is the major mistake, guys. Please, please, please don't do this mistake. Even if you did only at least up to some loops or up to some conditional statement, let's say you have completed if else or nested if else today. So go and solve the problems based on these topics. Don't sit idle until you complete entire syllabus because you can't even complete the entire syllabus. It will getting updated day by day. You may be getting some new features, new additionals whenever the programming languages got an updated edition. So see, first I will discuss with the free resources here, and then I will move on to how to utilize this. Okay, we have some resources here like CodeChef, then we have Geeks for Geeks, and we have HackerRank, and we have LeetCode. We have N more other options as well, but among all those, I have selected these four as the top four because I will tell the reason also why. Let's say I will speak about the CodeChef first. See, in this website, you can find the practice section here. You can, I think, when you logged in, you will like rendered to the home page. Go to the practice section here. I think many of you know how to log in these to the websites, so no need of video for this login. I think everyone know this. Okay, we will move to the practice session here. And if you scroll down, you can find this foundation of programming. You can find the question sets for different languages here. You can find question sets for different languages. And if you go down, you will get beginner DSA sheets. And if you still go down, you will get data structures, you will get algorithms, you will get difficulty rating wise. Again, you will get star wise paths. Again, you will get interview and Olympiad. See, this is why I like this website most because they have arranged the questions, they have sorted the questions in a very good manner. Because for the beginner people, let's say someone is starting with the programming and he don't know the basics of programming. He's learning now. You want to solve the problems on this foundation of the programming. See, here you can find the foundation of programming, right? Go to this, go to this. Let's say I'm learning something like Python. I will go to this. Then you can find the modules here. This is the current module, start module. You have something modules like this. In this modules, you will get the questions here, practice questions. See, these questions are like you need a subscription for solving these problems. Just skip this. You don't need actually. You solve the questions which are free of cost. Solve these questions. Then go to the next module, solve these questions. Go to the next module, again solve the questions. Again go to the next module, solve the questions. See, without learning the basics, don't go to the difficult rating questions. If you want to learn based on some difficulty rating wise, you can see here difficulty rating wise. Go to this. See, this is under 500 difficulty rating. Then you will get questions for 500 to 1000, again 1000 to 1400, 1400 to 1600. See, the difficulty will get increased when you move on to the next problem sets, right? You will get up to the problem difficulty rating like 2000 to 2500. Of course, you can't solve these problems because they are highly difficult. I think many of you can solve until 1600 to 1800. So solve like this. So this is why I liked this website more. Even I used to solve problems consistently on this website. I think many of you understood why I selected CodeChef for beginners. This is for beginners. I am telling you again and again, this is for beginners. Okay, and you can also give the CPR competitive programming. You can do. You can build a very good profile in this website. You can also do these things. This will help in like this. Then I will go for this second website, that is Geeks for Geeks. I will tell why this I selected this website. See, you will get n number of articles based on any topics, and you will get free tutorial. What free tutorial web sub web page like you will get the concepts, each and every concepts done in this websites. If you want to learn any concepts in depth, you can use this website. Also, you can use many more websites, but this is one among the best I saw till now. So you can also give competitive programming in this website, but it was not actually that much effective. If you want to do, you can do. Also, you can go for practice sessions and you can solve the problems. Let's say I will go to practice and I will go to the all DSA problems. Here you can see you can sort the problems based on however you want. So this is one plus point here. You can find company-wise questions, like I will select Amazon, you will find Amazon questions. If I select Microsoft as well, you will get questions which are asked in both companies. If I select my Flipkart, you will get the questions which are asked in all the three companies. So that's why you use this website, that is Geeks for Geeks. So I think many of you got why I selected this Geeks for Geeks website. I have done with these two websites. I will move to the third one, HackerRank. See, here is a tie. Here is a tie between this third HackerRank and LeetCode. So here we have HackerRank on one side and one more is LeetCode on the another side. See why I'm telling you like competition between these two websites is, in this website we have some features which are plus positive than these websites, and also in these websites we have some features which are not present in HackerRank. Both are like in highly competitive websites. So let's talk about the HackerRank first. So if you go to the HackerRank, you can find prepare, certify, compete, apply, right? So here the compete section won't help you much because competitions will be like not consistently going on in this website. So compete section is not actually helpful for us. If we go to the prepare section, you will get sections like prepared by topics like algorithms, data structures, mathematics, artificial intelligence, C, C++, and more. So this is one of the plus point of this website because they have ordered each and every questions based on our topics. Let's say I select Python. If you go for Python, these questions are neatly arranged, means they are sorted in a very good manner. Let's say first one is hello world program, then if else conditions, arithmetic operators, division, loops. So these are well mannered. They are already sorted in a very good manner. So that is the plus point of this website. And this website will sort the questions based on their importance. If we want to move on to some next topics, this will provide the question which is required for the next topic in the current topic itself. If I'm solving a question, let's say I will go to Java. If I'm solving a question data types, we already solved about these data types in the previous questions itself. Somewhere we will solve actually the questions which are based on the data types. So if we learn these questions, it will helpful for in the future questions as well. So that is the plus point of this website. And one more plus point of this website is you can go to the certify section here. So go to the certify section. You can find certification program for almost some very good topics here. R, SQL, basic, intermediate, advanced. These all are free. You can give a 2 hour full test or 1 hour full test maybe. You can, if you solve the problems or if you pass the test, they will certify with you with their certification. So this is of complete free. This is the plus point in this website. You can't find that certification in lead code. So that's why I'm telling you HackerRank is good for certification. And you can also solve questions in this. So that's your wish. You can solve questions from here or you can solve questions from lead code. That's your wish. But do certification from this website. This will helpful. We will move on to the next website now. So this is not for you. This is if you want to apply for some jobs, you can go and apply from this apply section if you want. Let's move on to the next website, that is lead code. So I tell you, many people will refer, go do lead coding, do lead coding. I will tell you why they refer lead code, why they refer lead code. See, this is a website. Many people's look into the website profiles. If some company is asking, like let's say Google is recruiting someone, they will definitely check that person's profile. Let's say I open my profile, they will definitely look into this profile. They will see the number of questions, they will see the contest ratings, and they will see the consistency, how consistently he is solving the problems, and what are the types of questions they have solved. Like they have mentioned here, like, see, I have solved problems which are based on monotonic stack. Sorry, these website will solve the questions are already solved in a very good manner. I have solved these many questions from the fundamental types, then intermediate, then I've solved some advanced questions as well in these topics. So this is the plus point of this website because we can concentrate on which topic which are not solved much questions. If I have not solved much questions in intermediate section, then I will go for intermediate questions then, right? So that is the plus point of this website. And one more thing, You can give a very good contest in this website and you can get a rating from this. So you can see now my current rating is 1479, and the ratings you can see the global ranking as well, and how many contests you have attended, and you can see where you stand in the public or crowd. So I stands in 49.59%. So that's fine. I solved 153 problems like this. You can what you can just know where you stand in a crowd. So this is why you use lead code. Now I will answer you why there is a competition between HackerRank and lead code. See, HackerRank will arrange each and every important questions, only important questions in a ascending order. You will learn concept by concept. But in lead code, you can't find that arrangement. You can't find the arrangement of the problems. If you go to the problem section here, you will get a problems. They are already like they are not sorted in a very good manner. They are asked like they are random questions. See, you can see two some problem here. This is based on array. You can see like longest palindromic subarray. This is based substring, which is based on a string question. And you can see n more questions which are not based on this array, and something like this. See, remove nth node from the end of the list. This is not based on array question. So here the questions are mixed together. Yes, you can sort the questions based on your priority here, but still in the sorting or in ordering the question wise, this website is the best. This website is the best. That is HackerRank. But it's your wish. You can use either HackerRank or LeetCode. It's up to you. But both will help you. But in profile, in if you are applying or if you are trying for MAANG companies, then LeetCode will be definitely help you to build your profile. So this will be definitely helping you. But you have to sort the problems and you have to solve accordingly. HackerRank already sorted each and every problems and provided the sheets for you, so you can solve directly. But in lead code, you have to sort the questions based on your own, then you have to solve the problems. You will get like top interview 150 questions, 75 SQL, 50 introduction to pandas. These all are the some questions or some DSA sheets you can solve, and you will get badges from this. So badges like if I solve this top 100 liked questions, you will be awarded with one badge. See here, you can see the badge. I think you can see badge here. If I solve this 100 problems, you will get awarded with this badge. I think many of you see this just beside the 100. Okay, like this you will get badge. You can which will be added to your profile. See, the badges will be displayed here. I have still currently 0 badges. That's fine. We will acquire in for future. You can decorate your profile as well. So these are some 4 useful websites or useful free resources you can use for your coding journey. You can use while your coding journey. So, and if you found some other websites which are helpful and which are equivalent to these websites, please comment me down in the comment section below. I will look into those websites as well, and will make separate video on those websites as well. Why these are make top 4. And one more, definitely one more is there. I will type this directly. Chat.openai.com. I think many of you know this ChatGPT. So this is like you use this as your personal chat bot. You can use this as your personal chat bot. If you stuck in any problems, you have made a mistake in the code and you can't, if you are not able to detect that mistake, just copy paste your code here and just click on find me the mistakes. It will automatically detect the mistakes in your program, and it will if you want to make it corrected, you can give a command like make the program correct. Then if you give the command, it will make your code corrected and it will return the correct code. That's it, guys. So I think many of you got answers for all of your questions. Many of you got the solution for all of your doubts. So if you have any doubts regarding these websites and still you are not clear about these websites, please comment in the comment section below. I will clear your doubts in further videos. That's it, guys. That's it for this video. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.